Spy Ninjas, I am here with Melvin PZ9. He's here trying to get a dog tag from me because he wants to rejoin the Spy Ninjas. I'm not quite sure if he's ready for that.
Why?
You're rude, you pick on Daniel all the time, you're not nice to Regina, so you're gonna have to earn it.
I'll do what it takes.
Yes, you do what it takes. Welcome to the Hall of Lasers, Melvin.
Wow.
One of the ways to be a stealthy spy like me is you can be able to go around in small spaces, avoiding dangers. Like these lasers here, if you are able to complete this escape challenge, I will give you my dog tag, Melvin.
Wow.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Ooh, very nice so far.
I want to be a spicy spy ninja too. Here goes nothing.
Let's see if you can get through this difficult course.
I'm more flexible than Daniel and Regina.
Like your form there.
Oh! Okay, I may be more flexible, but I'm definitely more rotund. Oh, I'm totally touching these wires.
Oh my gosh, look, oh!
What happened?
Look at this, it's completely off.
Where? I don't even feel it! Ouch!
Oh gosh, I don't know, Melvin. I'm not sure if you're gonna earn this dog tag. You alerted the guards many times. We've been caught right now. I'm gonna have to give you another challenge.
Okay, I'm up for it.
Doesn't sound like it.
I'm up for it! Let's go!
All right, Melvin, when in a pinch, I can also use my Spy Ninja backpack for a backpack attack!
Oh!
You can get this online. The challenge is you need to learn how I use the backpack attack against hackers.
Wow.
Oh. So you walk, strike a pose. I know I'm just doing a normal day walk, but I'm fancy. You gotta pause, do a hair flip.
Whoa!
Then you gotta show off your back.
Oh, fancy.
Then I'm walking. See a cool tree. Insta moment. Over the shoulder look. Go underneath. If you're fancy, do a little kick.
Whoa!
Another kick.
Whoa!
And a spin.
Wow!
Yes. So you're just chilling, thinking about your day, waiting for Chad to take you on a frickin' date. It hasn't happened yet. We've been together forever. Chad. Anyways, you get a little frustrated, and then you see a hacker.
Where? Whoa!
Over there! You gotta take them out!
Oh!
See another one!
Where? Oh! Oh!
You're so angry! As a stealthy spy, you spot one far away!
Whoa!
Take the backpack. Long range, backpack attack.
Oh!
Finishing move!
Whoa!
So this will make me a spicy spy ninja.
Exactly. Then you can earn my dog tag.
Let's do it.
But you need a backpack first. There you go.
This isn't really my style, V.
What are you talking about? It's black and white. It matches really well.
I need a larger backpack. Something for the boys.
Boys can wear this too, but I got one just your size. Oh, very nice, very nice. All right, now I want to see that strut, confident walk. All right, a little more hip,
There's my clout walk.
Oh, yeah, but
this?
a little more hip, yes. Let's do a little hair flip. Oh, and then you see the tree. What happens here?
Instagram.
You're walking again. You're meeting Chad. Okay, I want to see that spin. Oh, I like that. I like that you're adding your own twist and style to it. Oh yeah. And then you get so upset with a freaking date.
This always happens to me. I always get stood up.
Sounds like speaking from personal experiences. You know what? Oh no. Vogue pose. Oh yeah. Okay, hacker to the right. No. Backpack attack. Whoa! Now, one to your left. Okay, long range backpack attack time. Way in the back.
Watch out, V!
Oh! Yeah.
Did I save you?
I would have been captured by Project Zorgo. You know, maybe the backpack attack move is a spicy V specialty. But it shows that you try. We can go on to the next challenge!
But no hacker stays standing around me. That's right. Don't need a backpack for a tornado kick.
All right, Melvin, as a lock-picking expert, I have many locks in my collection here. You know, whenever I have to pick a lock, I only have like 30 seconds to a minute usually. So I need to simulate that pressure to you so you'll know how to unlock under pressure. They don't call me Spicy Spy for nothing. We are eating jalapenos. They're super spicy. I'm gonna start you off with a level 1 lock right here. This is a skill that I only use in an emergency when I need to help a spy ninja or someone's in trouble. I will never do this to a business, to your friend, to anyone, because spy ninjas only use their skills for good. All right, let's get started. Let's lock this up. Okay, let's begin. Jalapenos.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
See how big this is? I'm chewing. This is really spicy. I'm gonna use this tool here and this tool. You only need 2. Oh my gosh. Put it here. Gotta do some flipping and reversing.
Is the jalapeno at all helping you solve the lock?
No, it's only for pressure because there's a hacker coming. They can be coming at any minute. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's gonna flip and reverse it.
What?
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
I didn't think you were gonna get it unlocked that quickly.
Well, why not?
Well, because you're also dealing with a spicy mouth. I mean,
They don't call me Spicy Spy V for nothing, all right? Okay, Melvin.
It's locked.
Locked.
Just take a bite.
Very good. Oh my gosh. Oh, no.
No.
Oh my gosh, that's a huge bite. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Okay.
It's pretty fruity.
Isn't it spicy? All right. Okay. Hurry, hurry.
There's a hacker.
There's a hacker.
Oh.
There's a hacker.
I have to free my fellow spy ninjas.
Yes. Is that too spicy for you, Melvin?
Then you just kind of go at it.
Gotta flip and reverse it.
Oh, this is not gonna be good. All I succeeded in is just taking a bite of a jalapeno. I feel it in my guts.
I think you only have 5 seconds left. You gotta save Daniel, Regina, Chad, or V. Come on, hurry.
It's too late for them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh.
This is so spicy. Oh my goodness, you guys. Are you ready for a spicy spice? Subscriber?
What?
Take your phone, turn it this way. If the subscribe button is red, make it gray, and then you are now a spicy spy ninja like me.
Wow, and then eat a jalapeno at the same time.
No, don't do that. It's pretty bad.
It's not that bad.
It's very bad. Next round. All right, Melvin, I'm gonna ask you a trivia to see how well you know about the Spy Ninja's history. You've been with us for a very long time, so I feel like if you truly want to come back to the Spy Ninjas, you would actually take time to watch our videos and learn about us.
I feel like I need to do good at this challenge because I don't think I've been doing good at anything else today.
All right, Spy Ninjas at home, you can play along too to see if you can score better than Melvin here.
And you should also leave in the comments reasons why I should join the Spy Ninjas. And if you guys submit your comments within the first 60 minutes, I'm pretty sure these guys will read it, so let them know.
We will, we will. All right, question number 1. Who did Daniel ask to be his Valentine? What is her first name?
Now, what I thought was that he was trying to ask my sister to be his Valentine, because that's the most obvious thing.
Why is that?
Daniel's just a boy in love.
You think so? You mean Daniel has a crush on?
You couldn't tell from how many missions Daniel chooses to go with Regina. He has some crush.
Because Daniel also calls Chad his husband. So I don't know.
He also sings to me.
Maybe he's in love with all of us.
It's definitely one of the Merrill twins, I think.
Yes, it is one of the Merrill twins. But which one?
I know one is Vanessa, but I don't know the other one. I think he asked the other one.
No, he asked Vanessa!
Really? He did? Don't I technically get half credit?
No.
Because
it's all or nothing, all right? You're neither Spy Ninja or you're not. Not a flip-flopper like you. Daniel, Regina, and Chad might be like, okay, you can have Spy Ninjas, but no, not B.
But
all or nothing, okay?
All right, next question. I'll come back from this. That's only one.
All right. Okay, speaking of Chad, who did Chad dress up as during the movie making challenge?
This is the video where I dressed up as Link! Chad in that video was dressed up. Oh, he was dressed up as Deadpool!
Melvin, you're half right. He was Deadpool from the neck down. What was he from the neck up?
Chad.
No. Close.
What, Spider-Man?
Spider Chad! He definitely wore it. Flashback.
Wow, dang, well, so that doesn't count?
I guess you're half right again, but then I don't do half.
No!
So no! Melvin, why are you so bad at this?
Why does your questions always have like 2 possibilities? Let's go for the next one.
Alright. I know that Daniel's like your favorite spy ninja.
No, it's you, V.
I'm sorry,
You're my
I
favorite.
couldn't even keep a straight face when I said that. No, I know who your favorite spy ninja is, Chad, I know.
No, it's you, V.
No, it's not. Honesty is one of the spy ninja's tenets, okay? I know it's Chad.
Chad's too easy to be friends with. I actually have to try to be friends with you, V.
Yeah.
So that's why you're my favorite. Enough said.
Yeah, okay.
Can I get that dog tag though?
So speaking of Daniel, name 3 gross things that Daniel has tasted on camera.
I remember I was solely responsible for tasting one of those things when I was PZ9 giving Daniel, PZ1, his exit ceremony.
Oh my God.
I made him eat dog food.
Oh my god!
I think it was like a ham and cheese kind of dog food mix thing. It was something gnarly.
It was disgusting. I was there. I don't know if you know that, but I was there. I was trying to save Daniel. That's one.
This one, when Regina and I, as Skull and Crossbones, when we were out at Red Rock trying to get the ionizer, Daniel tried following our tracks by tasting the dirt.
So that's 2 out of 3. Let's hear another one.
Man, Daniel has done some really gross stuff. He's had his head in a toilet. That's probably the 3rd one. Toilet water.
Ew!
At the Luxor, when 409 gave him a swirly.
Oh my god. Ew!
Oh my gosh.
Ew!
Daniel has
Poor
been through some
Daniel. So you know a lot about Daniel. You're like in love with him.
No, I'm not. He's like in love with me. I think it runs in the blood. Because Daniel has a huge crush on my sister.
We're hiding!
Any comment?
Me?
Regina, ask him something about you. I'm trying to quiz him on the Spy Ninja history.
Yeah, do you even know anything about your own sister?
Yeah, try me.
Okay, well, here's one for you. What was my Halloween costume last year?
Last year, Regina's Halloween costume, she was on a mission to crash the Project Zorgo Halloween costume contest.
Yeah?
Where she attended as Mario. But there was a mission afterwards. I don't know. Get tunneled with me, swamp! It's Shrek.
Yeah! Wow, you know a lot about Regina too. All right, you know what? Final question. If you answer this one correctly, I'm gonna give you my dog tag.
Oh, because I've been doing a lot of failing today.
Yeah, but this one is really important. So let me see here. Wait, it's unknown call.
Hello, Spy Ninjas.
Mr. E, what do you want?
You are being targeted by Project Zorgo. They intend to use the translucer on all of you.
They're targeting us with the translucer? You mean we can all potentially be boring? We're gonna become the boring Spy Ninjas.
They will be meeting at a park tomorrow to train with the translucer. Intercept them there and destroy it once and for all.
We gotta stop it then. Wait, Melvin, are you gonna come help us?
Well, it's confusing to me why Mr. E would want to help us out.
I feel like he's the good guy sometimes.
Well, you guys trust Mr. E, but you don't trust me?
Yeah, Mr. E actually gave us the diamond play button, and someone stole it.
It was for me, and I won the challenge.
No, but it belongs to Chad. Come on, Melvin. You know, I'm questioning if I should even give you my dog tag, but things like that.
Whatever. Okay, bye, Mr. E. I don't care about the dog tag anymore. I think we gotta let the Spy Ninjas know real quick that they're in danger.
Wait, Melvin. Okay, so you're saying you don't care about getting a dog tag from me? You rather get the Spy Ninjas and let them know about this hacker interaction?
Yeah, I don't want to get zapped with the translucer, and I'm sure nobody else wants us to get zapped with it either.
Wow. You know what? That's something that I would do. I think that's something that all the Spy Ninjas would do. That was a really selfless thing.
I mean, it's just Mr. E called us out of nowhere, and every time Mr. E calls, there's something we gotta do.
Yeah, but you're thinking about the Spy Ninjas first and putting them first before yourself. Well, I'm gonna give you my dog tag because you have proven how selfless you can be, Melvin.
Really?
Yeah! It really proves that you have changed.
I thought I was gonna fail all of these challenges today.
Well, you did fail a lot, but the
I did
biggest thing of
terrible.
all is you put the Spy Ninjas first before yourself, and that is just so selfless.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome back. Okay, now let's go meet up with them and tell them about the hackers that's gonna be at the park.
Yes.
All right.
Let's go.
Go!
Guys,
Yes?
Hey, Melvin.
peep this.
You gave him the dog tags?
I did, I gave it to him!
Wow, that's 2 dog tags from Melvin. He's got 2 more to go. 1 from Daniel, 1 from Regina.
But that's not the important bit. Mr. E just called us, that mysterious geezer.
What does he want?
We haven't heard from him in so long. What did he say?
Well, he said that Project Zorgo wants to use the transloser on all of us, but he wants to help us out, and he's given us the location where it's happening. We can stop him, guys.
Okay. Well, we have to stop it. The transloser, you guys saw what the transloser did to me.
Yeah.
It made me a loser. Wait, that's why they call it the transloser. I just figured that out.
Imagine if they used the transloser on all of us at the same time.
And then we can't make a parody video to cure us, so we're just gonna be boring.
Oh, man.
Nobody can rescue us.
Alright guys, let's put all our training to use. We need to go and stop Project Zorgo from using the transloser on us.
Yeah!
Yes. Do I get a kick bump yet?
Yeah!
Oh,
Like a half kick bump or something.
Just behind the camera.
Okay.
Alright, kick ball!
Kick ball!